عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Respected dignitaries, on and of the days, the name of God, the Almighty, I take this opportunity to call your attention to a sensational topic, AI or human creativity, collaborative or competitive. Today, we stand at the threshold of a revolution that promises to transform the way we live, work and create artificial intelligence or AI. Has emerged as a powerful force that is challenging our assumption about human creativity. As we ponder the relationship between AI and human creativity, we must ask, we are faced with a fundamental question: are they collaborative or competitive? Do they complement each other or do they pose a threat to each other's existence? On one hand, AI has made tremendous strides in this. It has enabled machine to learn, reason and create in ways that were previously unimaginable AI powered. However, as AI assumes a more prominent role in the creative process, we must ask ourselves what happened to human creativity. Do we risk becoming redundant in the face of machines that can create and innovate with the greater speed and accuracy? I firmly believe that AI and human creativity are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they can be collaborative and complementary. AI can augment human creativity by providing new tools, new inspiration, and new perspectives. For instance, AI-powered design software can help architects and designers create and innovate and sustainable buildings. AI-powered music composition tools can assist musicians in creating new and original sound. Moreover, AI can help humans to focus a creative aspect of a task by providing new tools, by providing automating tasks. AI can help humans to devote more time and energy to high-level thinking process. However, it is also important to recognize that AI is not a replacement for human creativity. While also generate new ideas, new solutions, it lacks the emotional depth, empathy, and nuance. Operates within a narrow framework of algorithms and data. Human creativity is rooted in our experiences, emotions, and values. It is shaped in our emotional depth, empathy, and nuance. Therefore, as we navigate the relationship between AI and human creativity, we must ask ourselves what happened to human creativity. Do we risk becoming redundant in the face of machine that can create and innovate with greater speed and accuracy? In conclusion, the relationship between AI and human creativity, it is not a zero-sum game. It is not a question of either or, but rather a question how we can harness the power of AI to augment and enhance human creativity. By working together, humans and AI can create a new era of innovation, creativity, and progress. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.